Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating question: why doesn't India use American fighter jets? With the world's fourth largest air force, India has access to some of the best fighter jets globally. Yet, the Indian Air Force (IAF) has consistently chosen aircraft from Russia, France, and even indigenous designs over American jets. Let's break it down. 1. Strategic and geopolitical reasons. The defense sector isn't just about technology, it's about trust. Historically, India has maintained strategic autonomy, avoiding alliances that could limit its independence. While India and the U.S. have strong defense ties today, past events like U.S. sanctions after the 1998 nuclear tests created mistrust. India prefers suppliers who offer long-term cooperation without political conditions. 2. Technology transfer and Make in India. India prioritizes technology transfer, allowing local production and upgrades. American defense deals often come with restrictions under the End-User Monitoring Agreement, which limits how India can use, modify, or even resell American aircraft. In contrast, Russia and France provide technology transfer, helping India develop its aerospace industry, like the HAL Tejas program. 3. Logistics and compatibility. For decades, India's air force has been built around Soviet-Russian aircraft like the Sukhoi Su-30MKI and MiG series. Introducing American jets means different spare parts, training, and maintenance systems, making logistics more complex. Instead, India opts for aircraft that seamlessly fit into its existing ecosystem. 4. Cost and long-term affordability. American fighter jets, like the F-35 and F-15EX, are cutting-edge but come with a hefty price tag and strict maintenance contracts. The Rafale deal, though expensive, included better offsets and technology-sharing agreements. India prefers deals that balance capability with long-term affordability. 5. India's growing indigenous capabilities. India's defense industry is evolving. The HAL Tejas, AMCA, advanced medium combat aircraft, and future stealth fighters are key to India's long-term strategy. Relying on foreign jets indefinitely isn't an option, and India is focusing on self-reliance in defense technology. Conclusion: will India ever buy American fighter jets? While India does buy U.S. defense equipment, like Apache helicopters and P-8I maritime aircraft, it remains cautious with fighter jets. However, as defense ties strengthen, future acquisitions like the F-21, a modified F-16 for India, remain possible. India's fighter jet choices are shaped by strategy, economics, and long-term goals. What do you think? Should India consider American fighter jets in the future? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting defense insights.